Wolfgang, please. You can't keep that nose. You turn everything into a fish.
Oh, Wolfgang, do you remember how sad everyone was when you imagined Sesame Street was nothing but fish?
Yeah,
Everyone was so
Get rid of
sad.
the nose.
please,
Please.
please, Wolfgang, please.
I never saw a seal under so much pressure.
Excuse me, I have an idea.
Oh, good. Someone with an idea. What is it, Mr. Hanford?
Wolfgang, you want fish, right? And you also want your friends to be happy, right? Well, I am going to keep a good supply of fish right here for you, and anytime you want fish, you come to Hooper's store.
Oh, and how are you going to do that?
Well, I'm going to call my fish supplier. Oh, I've already done that.
A phone call. Where's the magic in that? Are you sure? Okay, I'll unwish your nose, but I'm not happy about it. Stand back, it's showtime. From your nose I undo your wish, that everything you touch is fish. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, you're too kind.
Delivery for Hooper's store.
I'll take it.
There you go.
All right, and there you go.
Oh, you people are so easy to please. Oh, wait, the music. Oh, may I say goodbye with magic?
Well, I guess that would be up to Wolfgang.
Oh, yes, of course. Wolfgang, is it your wish that I should say goodbye with magic? Please, oh, please. Thank you. Stand back, it's showtime. Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letter S. And by the number 14. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop. I love productions, and